Hi, friends. Today we're going to read Don't Push the Button, a Halloween treat. Wow, we did such a great job trick-or-treating. We have so much candy. That scary house is the only one left, but I don't want to go. I heard that monsters live there. Ooh. Stop! What are you doing? Are you trying to get us gobbled up? Please, please, please don't ring that doorbell. I'll give you all my candy if we go home right now. I guess I can't stop you. Push the button and say, trick or treat. Ooh, ready? I'm too scared. You peek inside. Open the door. Slowly, slowly. Eek! Monsters! Shout boo to scare them away. Again, louder. Good job. That's better. Looks like there's a note for Larry. Can you cut the string and get it down for me? Get your scissors and cut, cut, cut. The note says, clap twice to turn on the lights. Let's clap. Good job. Surprise, Larry! We have an extra special treat for you, trick-or-treaters. Oh boy, are you ready? 1, 2, 3, push! Hurry, push! Happy Halloween! I told you we should trick-or-treat at this house. The end. Awesome job, friends. Thanks for reading with me. Bye.